Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can automate your WordPress website with Discord. So just I can use a platform and tool that's called integrately.com. So you can check the pricing and packages. So you can create 100 tasks in free package. Just you can create a free account, then you can go and log in into your account. Now here you can also use AI tool. Just you can type in text format, for example, when WordPress post created, then send message Discord. Otherwise you can also use manual selection. For example, here you can see these are hundreds of different platforms that you can easily use. So I can select WordPress, then again scroll down, select the second app that's called Discord. So we have selected two apps. Now scroll down and here you can see these are few options. So I have existing blog websites. So now in my case I want to select this option. When post is updated in WordPress, then send message in channel Discord. After that click here go button. So now we need to connect these both accounts. So before connecting I need to create a new Discord account. Just I can go and create a free account. So now let me click here register button. After that now here I need to add email, and then here I need to add display name, then again username, and after that I need to add some password. And now I need to select date of birth. So now let me scroll down and now click here continue button. So now here I need to fill out captcha and let me try how it works. So now here you can see Discord account it is created. Now I need to go in my email and verify this email. Let me scroll down and click here button verify email. So guys, now here you can use this platform. You can add friends and you can also create groups and channel. So just you can add a name. So here you can see we have added a new server. Then you can use different options. Here you can see you can also create a channel. For example, I want to create a channel with name Enable Website Design 10 and channel is created. So now I can go back and here you can see I already connected my WordPress account. So now the next step is I need to sign in with Discord. So to connect a WordPress website, just you need to provide three things: website link, username, and password. So now scroll down and click here continue button. Here you can select the server, then click on authorize button, and you need to fill out this captcha. So now let me check. So the third step is now we need to do some configuration and testing. Now scroll down and here we need to select channel ID. So guys, here you can see we have two options. Then scroll down. So guys, here you can see it's working fine. This way you can easily integrate your WordPress website with this channel. Thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.